Hello everybody from Prima Woman by Gio, and welcome also today to our appointment of 10 minutes workout. Today's workout is dedicated to the legs and of course to the butt. We are having a session of different exercises. Don't forget the 3 rules of Gio. Have water with you, maybe you are thirsty, and it's very important to stay hydrated, especially right now that the temperature is still very high. So drink whenever you need, also during the workout. Press stop on the record whenever your body requires and needs some breaks. And make sure to perform the exercises in the right way. I advise you always to perform when it's possible in front of a mirror and check your body that is in a good position, right position, looking to the video and checking that your body is exactly like this. And of course, have much fun. Don't forget to subscribe here below. There is this red button, just press it and activate the bell. So each week when I will upload a new video for you for free, you will have notifications. So thank you very much. We start with the workout. Let's do that. body, as well as we have done at the beginning today. I don't do so much warm-up at the beginning to give you all the minutes that are in this free content for the exercises, but use these 3-4 minutes, 5 minutes before to start with the 10-minute session, really to go deep to warm your muscle. So use my YouTube channel to find the right warm-up that's sweet to you and a nice stretch to end the session right now. So search for a stretching workout, and I say thank you very much. Don't forget, subscribe, help me to grow step by step. Thank you very much, and I wish you a beautiful day. Ciao, ciao. See you next week with the next workout with Prima Woman by Gio. Ciao.